ideally, the answer would be, as soon as possible, as soon as you're able to gain access, as soon as you're really able to understand and identify that you do indeed have damage. And the reason being behind that is that the longer that the odors linger, it is tougher to get that odor out. If anyone's ever been in a smoke-filled bar way back in the day, right? The longer you kind of remain in that environment, the longer that smoke smell stays on. The other thing is that soot and smoke residue can be acidic and corrosive in nature. So the longer that soot and residue remains in contact with electrical components and things of that nature, you do run the risk of having certain levels of corrosion that transpires. And then the other thing is, the longer that the soot remains on things, you do run the risk for certain types of staining and discoloration. So, the short answer is, of course, it's always as soon as possible, when it's safe to access, when we're allowed to access,